Hey guys, here is a 52-inch. Hold on, let me tighten the globe. What? Carroway G event. It is from the early to mid 80s, I presume. Here's the let me turn the light on. It's model EF200 Type A. Made in China. 52. There's the blades. The blades are pretty dark wood. They're almost black, it looks like. It's made by TAT. It's basically kind of like a TAT Deluxe type thing. Here's low. Pull chain sequence is low, high, medium. Kind of weird. It's got flat tip blades. I got this at a thrift store like a month, like a few weeks, like quite a few weeks ago. I'd heard of these. Alright, now let's go to a medium. Kind of nice medium. Pretty good quality. It's got a bell canopy. Top. There's similar fans that kind of look like this, labeled View Fan. I think there's one on VCF. Not high. I added this light kit. I mean, it hangs down a little low, but it sure looks good. This light is looking a little loose, so I'm gonna tighten it a little bit. Just make sure it's all tight, ready for me to. There we go. Good. Alright, it's a little wobbly, but it flies. I also have a 3-speed wall control, which I've had for a while. I also use that to control the speed so I can get custom speeds out of it. Alright, now off. And there you have it. There's my Carroway G event. Thanks for watching.